The accounting presentation of the income statement has to be modified for the purposes of financial analysis. We therefore have to move from the list format to a format that brings out the key management subtotals. This involves reclassifying income statement line items from the three sections, operating, financial and exceptional, to new sections showing the various stages that make up the company's overall net income.
The main advantage of these key management subtotals is that they can be used to analyze changes in profit margins activity by activity over several years, help interpret the components of operating income, compare the performance of one company with other companies in the same business sector.
Key management subtotals highlight the intermediate profit for each activity, trading, manufacturing, or provision of services. We use the gross margin on sales for trading activities. This equals sales of goods for resale, less purchases, less changes in stock levels. Gross margin on production is used to analyze manufacturing and service activities. This equals production sold plus changes in stocks of finished goods and work in progress, less raw materials and direct subcontracting. The total of gross margin on sales and gross margin on production equals gross profit or margin. Gross profit depends on the company's sector and on the level of competition between the companies in that sector. Profit levels are likely to be higher if the goods sold are more upmarket and there is less competition within the sector.
Value-added measures the increase in value that the business puts into its products. Value-added corresponds to gross profit less other purchases and external expenses, also called supplies from third parties. The latter represent general and administrative expenses or overheads, packaging, telephone, professional fees, rent, transport and advertising, and public relations costs. Note that subcontracting and temporary personnel expenses form part of other purchases and external expenses for accounting purposes.